Hello. Now that we've discussed how to install the solver in Excel, let's now look at a very simple example. Suppose the objective is ax plus b is equal to 0, where the parameter values are a and b, and the variable is x. Suppose the value of a is 1 and b is 2. We know from high school math that in order for the objective to be equal to 0, x must take the value of minus b upon a, which in this case is equal to minus 2. We will now use the solver to show that the value of x is indeed equal to minus 2 for this example. So let's take this further. Let's now create a small table for parameter values. So let's give this some color code. A is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2, and suppose x is the variable and it takes an initial value of say 1, and the objective is ax plus b is equal to 0. So clearly the objective for these two parameter values and for the initial value of x is equal to 1 will take the value of 3. Alright, so let's now click on data. We click on solver and let's set the objective as the cell. And what we want to do, we want the objective to obtain a value of 0 by changing the value of x. Now we don't have any other constraint because this is a one equation, one variable example, but then the default that you would typically observe when this solver box pops up is make the unconstrained variable non-negative. Now we want to uncheck this and we want to choose among different methods of obtaining the solver or the solution, sorry. We want to choose the simplex LP method because this is a linear problem, and we click on solve. Now once we click on solve, we get another pop-up window. So it says here the solver has found a solution and all constraints and optimality conditions are satisfied. It gives you a bunch of options. Do you want to keep the solver solution or do you want to restore original values? Now you know that the solver would have calculated the value of x equal to minus 2, so and that's what it shows here. If you choose the option keep the solver solution, this will remain as it is, but if you click on restore original values, then it's going to restore the initial value that you had chosen. You have two other options here for returning to the solver parameter dialog, which basically gives you the same previous screen again. So let's close this, and so here you have, so the value of x is equal to minus 2 such that the objective is equal to 0. So in the next video we will look at a system of equations, and we look at many other complicated problems. Thank you.